Playtime with Kukay. Lunch here at NLEX! This episode will be a challenge, no? Kasi I need to speak in English because of the TFC subscribers, no? They asked me kasi... Hindi ko kaya!
Don't give up, don't give up. We can do this.
The TFC subscribers want to, ano...
What? What do they want?
I want to cater to a large audience. I want to cater bigger audiences.
Bigger?
Ayoko na mag-English. Second stop, Sandbox at Porac, Pampanga with Playmates and stuff! Tara na! First activity, zipline. And then after, free fall. I feel safe. Aray. Galit po siya. Galit ka po ba? Parang hindi nakakaganda yung helmet at saka buhok ko. Hindi, mag-pony ako.
Okay na yan. Ganda.
Ay, pangit. Unfortunately, bawal yung gadget sa taas.
Hindi talaga pwede, sir.
Bye! Are you ready, Porac, Pampanga?
Kukay TV! Hi, fans!
All is well.
Ano, kamusta?
Okay naman. Actually, hindi ko yung na-expect na nakakatakot siya. Kasi may mga ganon, di ba?
English.
Ayoko na. I changed my mind. I'm so sorry again, TFC subscribers. But I can't speak in English right now because I can't express myself. Anyway, hindi ko yung na-expect na matatakot ako ng ganon. It's really scary. Nawalan ako ng poise ng very light. Mga 30%.
Ang sakit!
So, kamusta naman ang nanginig ako.
Smile pa yun.
Ganda eh.
Oo.
Ganda Kamusta naman ang ating zipline adventure playmates?
Medyo nakakapagod matakot.
Wow, nagmamaganda after. Marian, wala talagang harness. Talon! Talon! Kung magkakaroon ng award for Best Sigaw, ikaw yun. Playmate, ikaw na lang daw yung mag-freefall. Ay, ayoko talaga, sorry. Ikaw na lang daw mag-freefall, bibigay nila yung ticket.
Ayoko pa.
Next activity, free fall. Hindi ko alam ano i-expect, no? Kasi nakakatakot yung zipline. Okay, kaya. Nag-expect ako ng worse, ng like faster drop. Medyo steady lang siya. So
Kasi mabigat ka.
Kasi siguro mabigat ako. 5 minutes na hindi pa rin sila tumatalon. Playmates, are you there? Frig, hindi nakakatakot.
Frig, tignan mo ako, Frig! Baby! Baby, love you, baby!
Nag-back out si Playmate number 1. Ayan, si Playmate number 2! No, Playmate number 3 ka sa malayo. Huwag ka titingin sa baba.
Tulak mo na, kuya!
Here na!
Naka-harness ka, di ka na mahulog!
After 30 minutes, di pa rin sila tumatalon.
Tulak mo na lang!
Kuya, okay lang. Tulak mo na. Ay,
Huwag na. Huwag na.
Ano sabi?
Bumaba ka na. Bumaba ka na.
Nakakain na po kami ng merienda. Nakanta niya na yung buong Hillsong album. One way, Jesus.
Wala na, hindi sila tumalon.
After waiting for more than an hour, hindi sila tumalon. Such a disappointment.
Nanginginig yung kamay ko, di ko kaya.
Third and last stop, Giant Swing. Nakakatakot ba ito, kuya?
Sakto lang po, ma'am.
Hey, hey! This is it! YOLO! Masakit! Aray! Super TV! Don't forget to subscribe to Mukay TV! Okay naman yung experience. Kamusta?
Okay naman.
May bago
New
pa
playmate.
akong workout.
May bago playmate.
Patrick! Picture mo na. Wala
Oh, dito, dito.
Let's go, Patrick! Go, Patrick! Pato mo!
Pa-open mo yung eyes niya, pa-open mo yung eyes niya.
Open your eyes, Patrick! Patrick, open your eyes! Ah! Patrick, open your eyes! Woo!
Hands up, Patrick.
Pagod na ako. Good job! Until next time! Before heading home, nag-decide kami ng mga playmates ko to do something chill kung saan makakapagpahinga kami. Kaya welcome to Fiesta Party Yung mini roller coaster is 50 pesos. Are you excited? I'm so excited! Para hindi naladak. Oh my God! Umaangat lahat. Kapit! Hello! Woo! Oh my God! Oh! Ah! Wala na! Ayun na yung isa pa! Kapit! Kapit! Ayun na! We're going down! Best roller coaster ride ever! Marian! Are you Naubos ko na po lahat ng pera ko at saka energy ko for today. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you, Pampanga!
Kukay.
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 Kukay TV.